Hello friends, welcome once again to an exciting video. So in this video we will see how we can earn additional $100 in AWS, right? So this is only applicable for new AWS account. If you have not created a new AWS account, please check out my previous video where I have guided how to create a new AWS account, right? So now let's see how we can earn additional $100. So now I'm on AWS console, right? And if I show you, you can see I have only 100 credits in my new AWS account. So sometime it will show you under the cost and usage management, or sorry, in explore AWS, right? How to earn additional $100, but over here for my account it is not showing. But I know the steps how to earn that. So these are the steps which you need to perform to earn additional $100. So let's try one by one and get the additional $100. So first thing first, let's launch an EC2 instance, right? So let me search over here. So as you can see, currently I do not have any EC2 instance over here. So let me launch a new EC2 instance. Launch instance. Let me choose the Amazon Linux free tier. That's fine. T3 is fine. I do not have any key pair, so let me create a new key pair. Create key pair. It has downloaded, right, for data purpose. Everything is on. Okay, let's launch the instance. Let me go to the instance. Now my instance is running. It's the status check is still initializing. Let me see if I can connect it. Connect. It's connected. Okay, I successfully connected to the EC2 instance. The next step is you need to delete this instance. Terminate. So it is setting now. So this is our first step to earn the $20. So it is terminating. I'll pause the video over here till now it is get terminated, right? So I'll come back once again. Let's go to console. Right now you can see over here in the Explore AWS, you see that the launch and EC2 instance, this reward thing, right? Is it in progress? By the time it is in progress, let's try the another one. We'll do AWS cost setup. So let me click here, start activity. So it will guide you as well, right? So these are the 4 steps you need to complete. So my monthly cost budget, let me set it to $1. Email, you can enter your email and you can enter multiple emails which you want to add over here, right? So, and then create budget. So now you can see here, right? You have completed this step. Let's go back again to the AWS console. So you can see that by the time here launch an instance EC2, right, it is completed. So you have already earned $20, right, from $100. Right now you have $120 USD. So let's launch another thing, Lambda as well. The next step. So what is Lambda, right? So I have explained this in my another video. What is Lambda, what are pros and cons? You can check out in my YouTube shorts. Soon I'll be bringing the serverless series in which you will get in-depth knowledge of Lambda, how to use it, how to deploy it using Terraform or serverless framework or local stack, right? So everything I'll bring in that playlist. So stay tuned for that. So let's complete this one first. So test. So I generally follow the lowercase test. My bad, the camel casing, right? Test function. So we have different runtimes. I'll choose Node.js. So let's keep everything default. So one thing to notice over here, right? So you will earn $20 only when you will complete all these steps, right? So in this step 1, they say use blueprint. So we did some mistake. We haven't used their blueprints. So let me go back again to the function and try to follow their steps, right? Okay, I'll go to functions, create function once again, use blueprint, and then okay, so let's start with hello world function, right? This is hello world. Okay, so here we need not to interact with another AWS resources. It would be easy for us to trigger or invoke the function. Okay, so these are the steps. Now to invoke this function, you need to go to the configuration, triggers, sorry, function URL. Still not, URL is not generated. Okay, we need to create a function URL as well. Save. Right now we have function URL as well, which is associated with this lambda. Let me invoke that. Okay, I believe this must have completed our step to earn $20. Yes, right now you can see that we have completed EC2, then we have completed the cost setup, right, and we have completed Lambda as well. Now we have to see how we can use the Amazon Bedrock and how we can set up Aurora RDS to earn additional $40. Right? So, and one thing to notice over here, right, do not forget to remove your resources, I mean to say free your resources if you are not using it, right? We'll see how we can although Lambda does not cost you, but the space associated with Lambda, right, they will be costing. So make sure to free up your resources. Okay, from where we can delete it, I believe we need to go inside the function and then action, delete function, confirm. Right, that function is deleted. Again, delete function. So in upcoming playlist of the serverless, right, we will see how we can do it via IAC, like infrastructure as code, right, via Terraform or any other frameworks. We have a lot more frameworks which is very useful while developing the large application or microservices, or how we can deploy it, right? So by the time let's focus on earning additional $40. Okay, let's go to console once again. Let's see what are the steps remaining. All right, so okay, let's click here, start activity. So previously what you need to do when Amazon Bedrock has been launched, right? So first you need to request access model, right? But nowadays what happens, right? So they have already provided you the access. So just you need to come and consume it, right? So model catalog. So these are the models which is already over here, right? So just you need to use that model. So come on chat. I'll be using single prompt, select model. So I'll be using Amazon Nova Lite, apply. Okay, so let me give any prompt over here. How are you doing today? Run. Okay, I believe this model has been used a lot today. So let me change the model. Okay, apply. Today. Okay. Let me see what's going wrong over here. Let me go to the chat model, select Amazon. No light. Hey, how are you today? Okay, I believe let's wait until and unless this model gets cooled down. So by the time, let's focus on another task, which is Amazon RDS. We'll come back on this and again try to explore the AWS Bedrock. Oh, wow. So you can see that we have already earned this $20 for Amazon Bedrock. So basically, they just want us to go and use the Bedrock, right? Have some chat and all those things. So they have credited $20. So bingo. So let's do the last activity to earn the additional $100. We need to spin up RDS. So easy create, intro, Postgres is fine, database identifier, Postgres, that's fine. Let me set master password. Okay, I'll keep all the settings default by the time, and let's continue. So our main task is to create the RDS and earn $20 as of now. In further videos, we will see how to use this RDS and each and everything, right? So let me open the console once again and see if the task is completed. I hope this must be completed. Yes, wow. All the task is completed here. It still needs to be updated. I'll refresh it and see if this gets updated. By the time, I'll delete this database because this will cost us, right? So go inside database, action, delete. Here refresh is completed, so you can see that we have successfully completed our task. We have earned additional $100, so this will be useful for learning purposes, right? So in additional videos, we will be seeing how we will create a serverless systems in microservices and in distributed systems. We will learn all the concepts of system designing, and we'll see how we can build a complex and scalable system using serverless, right? Especially event driven and each and everything. So stay tuned and subscribe so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a great day.